How to disable the Instagram profile picture zoom. Instagram lets anyone tap and zoom on a profile picture, which many people don't like for privacy reasons. So if we do not change the settings, anyone can view our profile photo in full. So let's disable it step by step. So we can open up Instagram app and we can just go to our profile and follow up this method. The truth is Instagram does not provide a direct setting to turn off the profile picture zoom, but we can prevent others from zooming it using this method. So once you're in this profile, you can look out for the menu option in the top, tap on it, and from the given menu, go to settings and basically look out for the section for account privacy. Tap on it. You can directly find this option called account privacy in who can see your content. So just go and tap on this option and open up another page. You may just go and tap on this toggle option right beside the private account to turn this option on and tap on this option called switch to private. And what it will do is it will only allow the followers to view your profile photo. You can just go and follow this method. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just head over to the main page, and there we can just go and upload an image that is not zoomed out, less clear with borders or background. You can tap on edit profile for that, and you can tap on edit picture avatar and upload a picture like that to make the zooming very useless. You can just go and follow up that process. Apart from that, you can block or restrict users that you do not want to view your profile. So you can head over to their profile that you would like to restrict and tap on the three dot in the top. And from there, you can tap on this option called block or restrict and do so. And that will also not allow other users to go ahead and access your profile. And that's it. Usually, you can just go and follow up this method. It should protect your privacy and prevent the misuse of your photos and stop the strangers from saving your image. And that's how we disable the Instagram profile picture zoom and protect our privacy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.